All right, we're going to get going here with a little tutorial in Excel of how to create this spending plan. First thing I want you to do is we're going to build the title. Actually, not. We're going to start A2, so the second cell, um, and we're going to type item. And if I hit tab, that'll get me across amount. Okay, these are going to be our two columns here, item and amount. To resize, I put my cursor arrow between A and B columns at the top there, and I pull and drag. Obviously, you're going to need some space to type the item. So I'm going to make that about yay big. It's up to you. Amount, I can go between B and C and make it just a little bit bigger. So I have a good base to start with here. You would type car insurance and then $500, what have you. Next, I want you to make your title. So I want you to highlight cells A1 and B1. So I'm in row A, I'm in row 1, cells A and B, highlight them. Then I'm going to go right over here to the alignment tab or area, and we have merge and center. Just click merge and center. What that does is it creates one title or one cell, large cell. It removes the inner borders in there. And I want you to type your name, followed by spending plan. Okay, so now you have a title. Okay, and in here, and that spending plan, and then just go dash July 2000. We'll go 2020. Okay, so up here at the top is where excuse me, we're going to do this. We're going to bold this too. Sorry, I'm kind of jumping all over. But here I'm going to put my items. So I'm going to look at an example that I have from previous years. We'll start with our gross income. So I'll list our income, which would be income and be $3,500. I type that in. To get dollar signs, I click on that, and I can just click on the dollar sign over here by number. If something happens here where it goes really goofy, where it maybe puts letters in there or the wrong dollar sign, just click on the box, and by clicking on and have the thick outside borders, that means it's highlighted. Go over here, and you can change it back to general, and it'll make it a normal number again. But we're just going to click on the dollar sign there. Okay, you can leave a space then, and we can go contract. Okay, and we could say this what healthcare. If I hit enter, it takes me down. Car, car insurance. Retirement, house payment, car payment. So I'm just going to list them here. And then I start putting the amounts in there. I'm going to bold contractual expenses because I want it to stick out. I might go 85. I might say 85 retirement, 250 a month. I'm just making these up. Okay. And then at the end of it, I want total contractual expenses. I bet there's a spelling error there. So, okay, I'll bold that part. Then I want you to add these up. And how you can add them up is you can just type in the cell right there, click in the cell, click on your equals key, equals, and type SUM, which is sum, which means add them up. Double click on it, and then hit enter. And that gives you your total. I'll do it again. You go equals, type sum, and this is the formula menu right here. Double click on it, and then just pull and drag the totals, the ones you want to add up, and hit enter. Okay, then you bold that. Make sure these all have dollar amounts. Okay, and then leave a space, and then go non-contractual